A super easy dessert to make at home: strawberry cream cheese egg rolls. You're gonna need one package of cream cheese. You can use regular or whichever one, the strawberry if you decide. Then you're gonna need a teaspoon of vanilla, tablespoon of sugar, 1 pound of strawberries. You're gonna slice and dice those up real nice. And then you're just gonna get them in that mixture, fold them in, and it's just pretty simple from here. It's really easy. You're gonna get some egg roll wrappers, and right here you actually want to wet all the sides. I forgot to film that. Get your filling in the center. You're gonna fold that over, tuck it in, fold in your sides. Sometimes you gotta pull it in a little bit more and then tuck it, roll it. Then you're gonna take some more of your water. You're gonna put it on your edges here, and that is gonna help it keep it closed. And as I said, I forgot to film it earlier, but you would do it before you do the filling. Finish rolling it. Then that's pretty much it. You want to get your oil heated up to about 325, 335, something like that. Drop those bad boys in. When they turn golden brown, flip them over. Once it's golden brown on each side, you're gonna go ahead and pull those out. Let those drain. Top it with some powdered sugar and strawberries, and you're good to go. One of the best, easiest desserts you can make at home, and it's kind of fancy too, because most people haven't had it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.